All right, ladies and gentlemen, here with Seth, here with Jared, here with Alan. They joined the WAAM Academy 3 weeks ago. That's when we first initially met them, helping them get their website, marketing, ads, automations agency up and running. We're from Houston. We came out to Indiana to help one of our clients. We happen to be near Chicago, so we're like, hell yeah, we got to link up. Pulled up to Chicago. That's what brought us here today.
Yeah, I mean, these guys have busted their fucking ass. They came in here, they came in the program, worked their ass off. They did what they needed to do to get the results, and that's why they're here today. Have a GS talk, see where they're at, see how we can help. Get you guys some insights on what really goes down with WAAM.
Y'all want to introduce yourselves, like kind of what y'all are doing for work, where you're from?
My name is Jared. I'm from Naperville, Aurora/Naperville, Illinois. I'm a utility locator, so I work with a lot of contractors. Started from there.
My name is Alan, 22 years old. Do the same thing as him for work. Yeah, Chicago, Illinois. And thank you guys for having us here, man, honestly.
It's going to be a good night. We're about to go out after this. Go chill. That'll be a good time. But, I mean, yeah, just, I guess, kind of walk us through, like, where did y'all initially hear about making money online? What business models did y'all hear about, or maybe did y'all try in the past? What initially led y'all to doing marketing?
I was kind of like everybody else out there, man, trying to make some money, you're trying to leave your 9 to 5. I came across, like the drop ship.
The gurus and everything.
You know what I'm saying? All that stuff. And then I finally came across, WAAS. And that really caught my attention. And I mean, I just started looking up, people that do WAAS and all that stuff. You guys came along. I seen your YouTube, reached out to you. You reached out back. I mean, that's how it started.
What about from your perspective?
So me, basically, bro, I was kind of just lost. I didn't know, really what to get into. I still shoot, but I mean, it was kind of going so well. So we always hopped on the call every day for work. And we'll just talk what we can do to, like, kind of like get out this 9 to 5 shit and just keep going. So, he introduced that to me. We always love working from computers in the home, bro. So we kind of just, we gave it a shot. We reached out to you guys and, just gave us the opportunity, bro. And we definitely, we took advantage of it. So now we're here, bro. So
that's a crazy realization, bro. Not everyone has that. Like, coming up young, you're working your job and you're like, fuck, bro, I don't want to do this the rest of my life. There has to be a different way. And the fact that, like, y'all are, like, coming together and, like, hopping on calls every night, like, y'all are having good, productive conversations, obviously led y'all to where we're at right now.
What made y'all first, like, change, though? I'll say for us at first, but, like, what was the first time when y'all, like, it clicked, be like, bro, like, it doesn't have to be for this, but, like, before, like, when y'all first knew each other and shit?
Bro, honestly, bro, waking up every single morning early, 4 in the morning, that's just dead, honestly. Like, nobody wants to do that for the rest of their life. So I was like, man, what can I do? What can I do? That's what I think about every single morning, bro, because I don't want to do, what I do for the rest of my life. So that's kind of what made me want to change.
Well, basically, I'm in the same boat, bro. Wake up every day tired as hell from work, get pushed basically to work a lot of hours, bro, and never kind of feel like I'm enough for the company I'm working for, bro, which kind of, it brings you down, bro, as a person, bro. So we just kind of got tired, bro, of doing that every day, bro. So now we took advantage of that, and now we trying to change our lives now, bro. And thanks to you guys, bro, just going there, bro. So
that's that as, like, all it is, and that's all it takes, bro. Like, I can relate. I mean, me and Diego, like, for me at least, bro, it was just, I started off at a very young age, bro, always doing something, bro, like, business-wise, something. Like, that's what brought me, like, not happiness, I guess, but, like, fucking, like, felt good, like, 13, selling them loom bracelets door to door, like, random shit. I always knew that was that way, and then, like, because, bro, everybody else was like, oh, school this, school that. Like, all my friends always talk about it. Oh, what do you want to do? I want to do this. And I'm like, bro, I don't like shit, bro. Like, I don't like nothing, bro. Like, I don't know. And I found out the online shit, bro. And I did that. But obviously, I did the wrong thing first, did a bunch of other shit, bro. And, eventually saw the online and fucking, bro. I was like, fuck. I would say really what changed, I mean, me and you, like, bro, we used to be totally different people, bro. Like, we was, like, I'm telling you, the wrong shit, traveling, whatever the fuck, bro. Like, totally different person, bro. Like, really disrespectful mindset, bro. Like, really dialing in your mind, bro. Really dialing in, like, what you want out of life, like, why you're doing this shit, why are you here, and who do you want to be, and who do you want to fucking be remembered for? If you're here for a short time, bro, like, you want to fucking do bullshit you hate your whole life, or you want to do some shit that really is fucking dope, bro, and, like, you feel some good type of way, bro. Like, that's why you got to drive. That's what I think what changed our mindsets, bro. Like, just really seeing that and went from there, bro. What about you, D?
I mean, yeah, for me, bro, like, since, like, 15, 16, like, I remember in high school, got into trading crypto, and I was trying to find mentors, watching YouTube videos, and that's where I put all my time into. Obviously, I wasn't successful. Like, I lost all my money throughout high school, just trading, drop shipping, TikTok shop. I did a lot of different things as well, because I just knew, like, I wasn't trying to go to college. I even went to college myself, dropped out multiple times. My parents, my mom's from Mexico, like, she wanted me to, like, have a great life, like, go to college, you know what I'm saying, like, be successful. That's how it's gonna have to be. I always had a different plan. At first, they don't see it. If you drop out, I'm gonna kick you out, basically, right? You just gotta have a plan, bro. Yeah, you can tell your parents, I have a plan, I'm gonna make it fucking happen, and then they start seeing the progress, you know what I'm saying? That was a bit of my journey into the online space. It took years, for me it took years to see success with it. What was it like your first week coming into the program, getting introduced to websites, getting introduced to Go High Level, cold calling? Like, what was it like? Were y'all nervous? Were y'all scared? Like, how did it feel like the day you joined?
So for me personally, bro, it's out of my comfort zone. I'm not used to like talking to people, bro, doing like the online stuff. I'm not used to that at all. You know, we have to do it, bro. You know, we gotta, you know, we gotta get comfortable doing that, bro. So, you know, it was kind of difficult for us for sure at the first. Like I said, I'm not really a techie guy, bro. So he was kind of teaching me the basics of the website, how to do everything. You know, staying up late night, watching the modules, kind of, you know, just making a random website for one of my friends. And we were learning as we go, bro. Every day was something new for me personally. So.
But the first week, what it looked like for me was, you know, watching the modules, soaking everything in, really learning and understanding all the basics. From there, like he said, you know, creating a free, you know, website for a family friend, you know, just learning off that, you know, and that's kind of how the first week went for me, you know, and then from there, you know, cold calling, you know, it's really nerve-wracking, you know, like people just hanging up on you, you know, like, damn, like, like come on. But so, you know, you got to get used to being uncomfortable, you know, that's how you learn. So that's kind of how it's been going, you know, for us.
Yeah, and like as the modules go, like just like totally y'all's opinion, like how were the modules like in depth or like short, or like what did y'all think about, like, have y'all, I don't even know if y'all got through them, there's a shit ton on there. A lot of other people, bro, we've been in a lot of programs, bro, and it's like very surface level shit, so like we wanted to make sure it was like in depth as possible we could get.
So for me personally, I think you guys did like a really good job explaining everything, because I watched the modules. I mean, I don't have any questions because you guys do such a good job at explaining like step by step how to do things, and I mean, I don't have questions, so I mean, that means you guys are doing a really good job, you know, kind of teaching us. So
for me personally, my opinion, bro, is with the modules, it's everything, bro. Like all you need is the modules, bro, to really like learn everything. It's definitely a plus. Like makes you guys stand out loud that you guys actually coming back every 3 days out the week, bro. Having a seminar with us, bro, or just a call, asking us how we doing, bro, and definitely like just, you know, actually thinking about us, bro. Not just, you know, and like any other guy, bro, just kind of joining, and it is what it is now, bro. So definitely the cause, bro, and then, you know, you guys checking up, you know, you guys setting up personally, you know, how we doing, especially you, Diego. I know you reached out. So yeah, I mean, with the modules, bro, itself, bro, you learn a lot, bro. You definitely learn a lot. So
yeah, bro, I made sure like with the live calls, it's like a fucking damn cherry on top, but like, bro, it builds that community. Like you see the same guys joining in, bro, and those are the guys that, you know, like putting in the work, bro. And before we even did anything, bro, I've always said, like, bro, I'm telling you, even in the apartment days, bro, like I was like, damn, bro, I want a community, bro. Like I know a community of guys who are just hungry, bro, like want to kill it, bro. Like we can do big ass shit.
Would y'all say how it changed your mindset just coming into like a community of like like-minded individuals, and kind of like where y'all were before? Maybe if y'all had people around you already, you know, trying to make money online, or just coming into the WAAM Academy, like just being around people that are hungry, ready to get to it, all have the same goals. I guess, how did that shape your mindset?
So I'll be honest, I mean, me and him, I don't think we're surrounded by a lot of people that are like kind of like on the same mindset we're on. So I mean, being surrounded by like a community, like, I mean, man, there's a lot of people in it. Every day they're asking questions, you know, they're eager to learn. I kind of learn from their questions, you know, you guys answer their questions too, you know.
Same, bro, same with me. I mean, like I said, we weren't really surrounded with like the greatest people, so now a lot of them thought about like us and stuff, bro. So for us, it's kind of like it was just me and him, kind of, bro, just isolating from us, from like that type of environment, bro. Like coming out to like, the WAAM, it's crazy, bro. Like there's definitely people that actually want to like make it out, bro, and succeed, and now like, having around you and actually like supporting you and like not making fun of each other if you can't close something. It's just like a whole family, bro, which is really a plus for us, bro, and it's great, bro. Honestly, can't say anything bad about it.
That's good that y'all have each other, though. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least y'all had each other. It's the same with me and him. All my friends went to college. I was like a loner. My parents, you know, I isolated from them as well. We had each other. We knew we had to run it up. Kind of see the same with y'all as well.
A big thing with us, like, bro, the kid, bro, like, used to pray, like, God, like, please eventually give me somebody, like, that I can just sit down and grind with and just go fucking all in, because I knew I had a bigger vision. But, like, all my, like, homeboys, my quote, whatever you want to call it, day ones, like, they were doing their own thing. Like, we did a little bit of business in the beginning, but they were doing their own thing, and I just didn't have anybody like that, you know what I'm saying? And boom, came across, found him, and it was just meant to happen. Yeah, but y'all too, like, y'all got each other, bro. Like, y'all can never fucking fail, bro. I'm down, like, I don't want to do shit, whatever. Back then, like, he's up, I gotta get up, you know, and it's vice versa, bro. Y'all got the brothership, bro. Grind it up, bro. You can't fail, bro. Just fucking grind it up, boys.
Next question, as far as like the whole agency thing, like what was like the biggest roadblock for y'all so far in your first 3 weeks?
I think the website, I mean, the whole working on websites itself, I'd say that's just the foundation of it, you know. anybody can really do it. The hardest part for us, man, was really getting the clients, the cold calling, messaging, we try to reach out to like at least 30 people a day through just text messages, and then the cold calling on top of it. Reaching out to people is probably like the most difficult part for us. We don't really, talk to people like, like on the phone and stuff like that, but I'd say that's probably the most difficult, for us, 3 weeks we've been in.
Yeah, I would say definitely the cold calling, reaching out to people. Not that, making time for it was a big thing. We work early, bro. So for us, it's like, we had to make time for it, bro, and we wouldn't get out at a great time. So, like, a lot of businesses will be closed, bro, or, like, they wouldn't answer the phone. Definitely time was definitely a big part of it. But we sacrificed that, bro. We're sacrificing, staying up late nights. And even though we had to wake up at 5 in the morning, we're still getting the previews. We got to sacrifice something, bro. So it was for sure the time, bro, and actually, like, the clients as well is a big thing for us. But I mean, we're pushing through.
Hell yeah, bro. And then, I mean, just for everybody, obviously, who's watching now, like, 3 weeks in, how many guys have y'all closed right now? And then what do y'all got in the works?
Close. We closed 4 guys so far. Close within 3 weeks. We have 3 client previews that we're doing tomorrow. And then we actually have one other guy that we're going to get on a Zoom call just to, interview him and see where his business is at, so we can provide all the right things for him, bro, the marketing needs for him. But so far, yeah, just 4 close for sure.
And then, out of those 4, were they all cold calls, people you knew in person? Like, where'd they come from? How'd y'all get them?
Well, I mean, luckily we know a lot of people, in our area. So, I mean, our very first client paid us for the, website setup fee. He referred us to, his friends, his other contractors, and, he brought us like, 2 leads, and we closed them out. So just word of mouth, that's been kind of where we're at. But, we want to get, be better with those cold calls, close out those, leads. Yeah.
And that's what we always say, bro. Like, look at your network first, bro. Look at everybody that's around you, because you never know, bro. And getting those first amount of clients gives you that confidence. Okay, now I can do it. Got the confidence, I know how to do it. And then now you can just do it, apply it to other random people online. It's like a little trifle effect. Then you can upsell those guys marketing later on. They already trust you, bro. You already know them. So it's an easy one too, bro.
So yeah, like Seth was saying, like, your network is big. For me, like, when I was first starting with websites, I was in like a men group at church. Business owners in there, obviously letting them know, like, hey man, I'm starting to build websites. And they gave me chances, they gave me opportunities. Build them a free website or just $100 website, something cheap. And like, that gives you that momentum. And then you get referrals, kind of like what y'all are saying. How was it fulfilling those first few clients? Like, how'd y'all feel? Were y'all, trying to like make sure it was perfect? Like, how was that?
And when we first got our first 50%, we're like, damn, this shit's really possible. Like, the money's there. You just got to put in the work. When we first got that, first feeling, it was amazing for me.
First payment?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
I knew, like, the possibilities, that this could, bring us.
Making money online for the first time, like, how did that feel?
Amazing, bro. Crazy. Like, it's a crazy feeling, bro. Like,
it's possible. Like, you see it online.
Possible,
yes,
bro.
possible. But, like, you like, other people see it, bro, and, like, you think it's a scam, bro. Yeah, I can't think everything's a scam now.
Yeah, bro. I mean, obviously be careful, what I'm saying? But y'all got into the marketing. There's obviously a need for marketing. A bunch of people with no websites, nothing online. So, I mean, you just got to find a way to bridge the gap, provide value. And that's what y'all are doing. So, I mean, already 4 clients in the first month.
Yeah.
That's pretty G, bro.
All thanks to you guys, bro, for giving the opportunity, bro, and showing us up.
Y'all put in
No,
the work, y'all
100%,
making it fucking happen,
but we need.
Y'all are at that level now where, okay, y'all are in the cold calling phase. It's fun because it's like stages, bro, and it's going to be fun, like, walking y'all through these stages, because I'm excited, bro, when y'all get a good amount, of cash under your belt, so now you can invest back into ads and Facebook marketing. Now you can see where it really gets fun. Now your appointment setting calls. Now you're hopping on sales calls where these guys are warm. Now you're really fucking with your sales skills and stuff. So it gets fun, bro. And then after that, it's just the marketing, selling. It's like a game, bro. It gets fun, but the more you learn, the more skills you obtain, bro, the more you make. And that's why I love about this model, bro, because it's not endless. It's not capped. It's not endless. And you sell it once, bro, you get paid forever. Like, there's not. We've been through so many business models, bro. There's really not a better one, bro. Like, as one that you can get results quick. Obviously, you don't look at the results, but skills you can really gain quick, I should say. Hell yeah. Yeah.
What is y'all's goal right now as far as, the next month, I'd say, for your agency, and then maybe 6 months from now? What are y'all thinking?
Importantly is just continue to learn. There's so much to learn still. We're barely, touching the surface. So just learn. 6 months from now, I mean, man. Full time. That's the dream job, obviously. That's what everybody, watching, really wants. But we're gonna continue to put in the effort. Hopefully full time. That's kind of the goal right here.
So we're kind of making goals. We came in the month of September thinking, like, we gotta at least close out. We were thinking at least 10 for the whole month, bro. I mean, we're already, you know, halfway there, bro. I mean, obviously the month already ended, but we're gonna set a new goal for October, bro, and then we're just trying to beat it, bro. But for sure, in 6 months, definitely want to quit my 9 to 5, bro, and continue this full time.
It's done. It's already done. Y'all keep going at the pace you are now. You keep putting in the work, bro. It's done. It's just time to catch up with it, bro. I'm telling y'all. Telling you, boys,
Plan,
man.
bro. That's a plan. So.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
What would you say to anyone who is kind of, you know, they want to make money online, they don't know really where to start, they're lost, maybe they don't trust anything? Like, what would you say to that person?
I'm sure there's people out there, you know, that spend money on, you know, this and that when, you know, just invest that money into yourselves. It's worth it, you know, it's worth it. Just, you know, go ahead and take the jump, you know, take the risk. Yeah, it'll pay off, honestly.
Reinvest, bro. So, like I said, we took the chance, bro. We literally took that risk of, and you know, investing money into this. And at the end of the day, bro, either we got nothing to lose, bro. You know, like
Nothing changes,
bro. Yeah. So, you know, at the end of the day, if it doesn't work out, then you know we try something new and we just keep living our lives, bro. But if we never take that risk, bro, we don't know what the outcome will be. Especially for like the shoe business I was in, it was a what if, you know, like what if and you know it don't sell, what if, you know. So my cousin told me one day, he's like, bro, like stop being scared, bro. Like just do it. Like you got nothing to lose, bro. Just keep on doing it, bro. And if it don't work out, bro, then try something new. So I took his word for it, bro. Especially with the shoes, I just bought a shit ton of shoes, bro, and shit, they were selling, bro. You know, it's crazy. So with this, I told him, I was like, bro, if it don't work out, you know, it wasn't meant to be, bro, and move on with it, bro. But obviously, you know, we put the grind in, bro, so we definitely get an outcome for it. So it's there, bro, for sure.
Yeah, bro.
Awesome, bro.
Love that, bro.
And I guess, what would you say to anyone that's been thinking about joining WAAM? They see the websites, they see the agency space in general, just marketing. They're interested in doing marketing. Like, what would you say to those people?
Take the risk, man. I mean, there's a whole community of, you know, all of us, bro, supporting, you know. I mean, everybody's here to come for you. You know, you're going to learn every single day. You know, those live calls are, you know, man, they help me a lot, you know, because, you know, there's a lot of, you know, questions that I have that are answered in that live call. And, I mean, yeah, man, join, you know, take the risk, man. Don't be scared.
Appreciate it, bro. Thank you.
Yo. Like I said, he said it all basically for you, bro. Like, just take the risk, bro. I mean, you got nothing to lose. You know, if you want to work, bro, you want to change your life around, and you know, this is the place for you to be. Like, this is definitely the place for you to be. You just got to come in every day, put in the work. Join the live calls. It's a lot of information every day. So you join the live calls, bro, and you put in the work and you do what you got to do. Your life's going to change around. So
appreciate that, brother. Appreciate the response, bro.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
But yeah, guys, I mean, if you've been on the fence about doing some type of online business and you just don't know what it is, I mean, I've tried a lot of business models. Diego's tried a lot of business models. These guys have tried a lot. And if you want something real that's going to last throughout time and you want to gain real skills in real life, then I will say this is one of the best business models to get into. You're learning sales, you're learning marketing, and every business in the world needs both of those to be successful. So if you want to be valuable in this world, I highly suggest you learn these skills. If you're interested in joining WAAM, we'll be right here to fucking get you in, boys. Let's fucking crush it.
Do it. I promise you won't disappoint.
Let's fucking get it, guys.
Appreciate everyone watching. This is the first ever interview we've ever done. Pretty badass that we met.
Yeah.
These guys are about to go out. I mean, you can show them the city really quick if it turns. Chicago, beautiful city, crazy city. We're about to go see what's up right now. Maybe go grab some drinks, grab some steak. We'll see what happens. But yeah, thank you God for all of this. You know, that they're able to come out here today. I appreciate you guys coming out to meet us.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, just fucking everyone keep crushing it. Set your goals. Never give up. If you truly want to change, you need to make a change. And we'll see y'all guys on the next episode.
You just give you a handshake, bro. Got fucking G's.
You're putting in a lot of work, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.